Kaying Kashari District Court haka arpo khandai tarik yayong kala shong bishar sani yaka Jamin balapan Muktiar nong side an jong Raj Kushwaha Samla ka sonam. Yakani ka jingkerpat Jamin jong Raj Kushwaha kadang don haka jinga side naki Muktiar arliang mamla. Yaki charge sheet nagabentai kini arngut ki pulit kila pengat haki babon ki kendon jong kaan kriminal.
We have just argued the bail applications. We are waiting for the order. That's all I can say right now. Yeah.
So on what basis? Like, what were the grounds? If you can just give us.
We are claiming parity with the other bail application that was allowed. So thank you.
Just a second. You said that is that because the sections are same? All the sections are for the Raj Kushwaha.
Yes. They're all sections are same. So let us wait for the order because we just finished to argue the matter. Okay. Thank you so much.
By when this?
We don't know by when, but thank you so much.